The Material World 14. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6501, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the worldly things which are raised up in social status will eventually be lowered by Allah, the Exalted. This does not mean that Muslims should avoid the material world and trying to achieve success in it. Muslims should strive to obtain a worldly education and a lawful occupation, as it helps one to avoid unlawful wealth, and is required to fulfill one's responsibilities, such as fulfilling their needs and the needs of their dependents. An example describing this duty is recorded in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 2928. The main narration means that one should not make worldly success their number one priority, and instead dedicate most of their efforts to preparing for the hereafter. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. No matter how much worldly success one gains, eventually it will fade away. This fading will occur either when one is alive or their success will part from them when they pass away. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 2379. Countless people have built empires and achieved worldly success, yet all of them faded away. How many people have had their names plastered across skyscrapers yet, after a short while their names were removed and they were forgotten? This narration does not mean that a person will not be given success after facing trouble. Muslims should strive to achieve success in the world and not give up when they face setbacks. The key is to prioritize the success of the hereafter over the world by using the blessings and success of the material world to achieve success in the hereafter. One can achieve this by striving for lawful worldly success, fulfill their responsibilities and duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and people while avoiding waste and extravagance. And they should utilize their worldly success to aid them in the hereafter, such as donating their excess wealth. If their worldly success is fame or political, then they should use their influence to benefit others, as this will help them in the hereafter. This is how one uses their worldly success to benefit their hereafter. It is important to note that the one who only aims to benefit themselves in this world will not gain benefit in the hereafter. But the one who aims to benefit themselves in the hereafter by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, will gain benefit in both worlds in the form of peace and success. This is the only way one can ensure they continue to benefit from their worldly success, before and after it inevitably fades away. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.